Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this SUPRUS electric arc lighter. So this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description on Amazon, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So here it says safety, windproof, rechargeable. On the back it says electric arc, LED lamp, LED battery indicator, ignition button, USB charging, safety switch, and hook. Okay, so here's the lighter. It comes with a short micro USB cord. So if you want a longer one, these are very common. Most people have a lot of these micro USB cords sitting around. And here's the lighter. Feels like metal construction here. We have a manual. So you want to read through the whole manual so you can make sure you're safe with this. I'll look for some highlights here. So it says charging takes a half hour to an hour. It says it will automatically power off after 10 seconds. The battery is 170 milliamps. Life cycles is over 300. The ignitions per life cycle is approximately 60 to 80 times. The input is less than or equal to 5 volts. The charge current is less than or equal to 3 amps. So this has an on-off switch here, so you can see the LED light up. Then I can press this, and that will make the plasma glow. I'll turn the light off so we can see that a little better. There you can see the plasma. Then we can charge it on the side here. We'll plug it into micro USB, plug it into my charger. And it's currently charging at 0.28 amps. That can change as time goes on. You can see the charge indicator here. So this will tell us how much charge is in it. So there's 3 of these lit up, so the battery is at 75% charge. So I can demonstrate how this works. I'll turn it on, I'll press it down, and I'll put it against the wick. And there we go. There's another candle. So you just want to hold the wick in between that little spark there. So in the instructions it talks about maintaining the charge in this. If you don't use it for 6 months, you'll want to recharge it. One reason I bring that up is someone might think that this could be good to throw in the back of a car for an emergency. And that might seem okay, but there are 2 things to consider. You don't want this to get super hot. And I say this, I mean pretty much any device that has a battery in it. So if you put it in your car, you would definitely not want to put this on your dashboard. You could maybe put this in the trunk real low if it's cool enough. But also you would need to take it out every once in a while and make sure it stays charged up. Also, this could get dirty on the end here, and that could affect the performance of it. So you want to make sure you keep that clean. So you can just wipe it off if it gets dirty. So this could also be good for lighting up a camp stove. Now this stuff isn't completely heat proof, so just like if you had your hand in there with a match, you'd want to light it and then pull it right away. You wouldn't want to hold it in there once it's lit. So one feature that's really nice about this model is it has the loop on the end, so you could tie a cord on there. You could put this off your backpack. You could hang this in your kitchen, like inside a cabinet. You could put a little hook or something. It's very versatile. Or in an RV, you could put a little hook in your RV and put this on there, and then you'll know where it is. It's always available. And as long as you have a charge cable nearby and something to charge it with, you can always charge it. So if you're living off grid, you could charge this up with solar pretty easily. So that's the SUPRUS electric arc lighter. That's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you liked this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.